Reheat your food using the precise, even heating of LG Smart Inverter. To manually set a desired cook time, open the microwave oven door and press clear. Then press cook time once on the control panel. Press plus or minus until your desired cook time appears in the display. Press power level once. Power level high appears in the display. Press minus to decrease the power level in 10% increments if desired. Close the door and press start. When cooking is complete, a chime will sound and the word end appears in the display. If a power level is not selected, the oven defaults to 100% power. Pressing start without setting a cook time activates the quick start feature. This feature allows you to set 30-second intervals of high power cooking with each press of the start button.